dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Dolphins communicate with clicks and whistles. Say again, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Sharks is a large fish with sharp teeth. Say again, S-H-A-R-K, shark. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Jellyfish come in various sizes and colors. Say again, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Octopuses can squeeze into small spaces. Say again, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Sea turtle. S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E, sea turtle. Sea turtle come ashore to lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Say again, S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E, sea turtle. Whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Whale, the largest animals on Earth. Whales are mammals that breathe air. Say again, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Clownfish. C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H, clownfish. Clownfish are known for their orange and white stripes. Say again, C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H, clownfish. Crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Crabs walk sideways and can be found on the shore and in the ocean. Say again, C-R-A-B, crab.